Hi, welcome back to Star by Esther. Today I'm going to be doing my NYX Top 30 makeup look. I've already covered my brows, obviously. I've just put an extra layer on them. Got a bit of leftover makeup from makeup I've had on previously. The challenge they gave us was avant-garde makeup. So I had a pink colour change wig already that I didn't know what I was going to do with, so I thought, why not try and use it for this? So that goes from pink to white. So I've decided I'm going to do my Esther face, and I'm going to pinkify it and do a pink version. I've covered my brows, which I don't normally do, so to make it a bit more avant-garde, I was thinking of not drawing brows on at all. So I don't think I'm going to, but I may end up drawing brows on depending on how I like it, but I don't think I will. So I'm going to have no brows and a pink drag face. So this is going to be called my sort of avant-garde. Change those words around and it's avant-drag extravaganza. I've also, if you notice my eyes look a bit different, I've put some contacts in. I'm going to try and use as much NYX as possible. I will show you. I've already used the Angel Veil primer on my face. We'll see what happens. I'm excited. Are you excited? Let's get started. So I'm just starting by applying a water-based pink makeup all over my face, using a flat brush, getting as even coverage as I can. And just taking the NYX Liquid Suede in Pink Lust, I'm mixing it with a white cream makeup to get a nice pastel pink to do my highlight. So I'm highlighting all over my face where I normally would for drag, obviously going quite extreme. And then I'm going in with that same liquid suede to do my contour. It actually works out quite good. You just need to keep in mind the liquid suedes do dry quite quickly. So normally I would contour everything and then blend it, but I'm doing section by section just so that doesn't dry and stick to one spot. Also contouring my nose with a bit of the liquid suede as well, going quite thin, and I like to make a bit of a button nose for myself, so that's what I'm doing at the end, like a diamond tip. I will eventually go in with powders and extra white to highlight that as well, which we'll see a bit later. And then just cleaning up my contour and the highlight underneath my contour, and going in with some pure white of that cream makeup to accentuate the highlight even more. So I am blending with two different brushes, one for highlight, one for contour. Make sure you do that, otherwise you're going to end up being muddy. So make sure it's all blended before you powder, which I'm now doing with just a translucent white setting powder. And now I'm going to go in with the NYX eyeshadow base in white on my inner corners of my eye. I'm also adding tapes. I like to use just Scotch tape to get a really nice sharp wing. And then I'm going in with a few different shades of the liquid suedes. In the shade Antwerp, a lighter pink, and then going back in to deepen with the same pink as the base. Just going back in with that cream white NYX eyeshadow base to create my brow bone. So it's just going to be the brow bone and that's it. And now we're going over all that to set it all with eyeshadows. I've got the primal colours in hot pink and the purpley colour, which is hot fuchsia. Also using the Avon Pop palette, using that dark maroon purple in there and the white. And now for black, make sure that you do put a good load of translucent powder under your eyes before you use this black. This is the primal colour Hot Black. I actually use this all the time. This is my go-to black eyeshadow. I find it is the best black eyeshadow that I've ever found.
Okay, so tapes are off, just getting rid of that extra powder, and I realized that I didn't clean one of my brushes that I had previously used. Anytime you're going to do like a colourful or a different makeup, make sure you do clean your brushes or sanitize them and get all the colour off. I use 99% alcohol. And now I'm going in and with the hot pink and the hot fuchsia to contour, as well as the purple shade in the Avon Pop palette. Just adding some freckles with all the colours that I've already been using of the lip suedes, and Orange County to add another orange, and also a dark purple, which is Amethyst. Food time. Thanks, bun girl. Chicken. Gotta have your chicken. Now need to do the boobies. So I'm just finishing off my pink on my chest area, and I'm going in with the same lip suede again and the same contouring brush to draw on some contour. Just highlighting with the white in the palette and going in with a blush. I'm using the orange of the primal colors. For the under eyes, I'm going in with the black primal color base and blending that out with the black, hot pink and the hot fuchsia, as well as adding a bit of glitter to the inner corner, but I end up using white over the top of that anyway. Going in and accentuating my highlight on my nose and my upper lip and anywhere really with that white out of the Avon Pop palette. I found it really good as a highlight, especially for this look, because it's really nice and white. It's not really a golden highlight, and that works really well. Now going in with the eyeliner, quite thin and tapered to the inner corners. I like to, rather than doing a wing, I just draw on lashes and blend it in with the black shadow that's already there. For the lips, I'm starting with a light pink in the lip suedes and then building it up on the outer corners with dark colours, purple, and then I do end up going in with the metallic matte liquid suede in the shade Ego, and then I'm also going to go in with that cream white again to highlight the centre of my lip, which also makes it look fuller. I'm just setting all my lips with eyeshadows, the same ones that we've been using. I find this helps it last really long. I found a little nifty trick. I had a NYX matte setting spray. I wanted to put some glitter where my highlight is, so I just sort of sprayed it on quite a lot to get it sort of wet. I needed the glitter to stick to something, and it worked out really well. So I just spray it, and then on a fluffy brush, sticking the glitter on. And it worked really good. I was really impressed. Now all that's left to do is add my lashes. The bottom ones are NYX lashes, which I cut up to make into individual lashes. Also adding some paper lashes on the outer corners at the top, as well as some crystals and Swarovskis to add a bit of bling. And I'll leave you with some music and you can get ready for the reveal.
Avon Drag Extravaganza Eleganza. Thank you for watching my submission for the NYX Top 30 next round, our avant-garde makeup. I hope you enjoyed the video and maybe learnt a little bit of something along the way. As you can see, I was wearing my colour changing wig, as you saw it colour changing, which is pretty cool. If you are interested in wigs or wig styling, go take a look at my Instagram for my business, styledbyesther_. If you would like to follow me on social media, my personal account, which is the one being used for the NYX Face Awards, is Esterix Miss Gay Australia. And also, if you'd like to follow me on Facebook, you can follow my page for Styled by Esther, which is just Styled by Esther. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you to the sponsors, NYX of course, plus Priceline, Garnier, Redken and Audio Network, for allowing the NYX Face Awards to happen. I'm very excited for what may happen or might not happen. Either way, even if I don't get through to the next round, it's been fun just to be involved. I didn't expect to even get into the top 30 or anything of this kind, so very humbled already. To get through the next round, it is based on a public vote, so make sure you're following me, as I said, on my social media, and I will keep you updated on where or how to vote. It will be in the description below, the link to the voting. You can vote 3 times per day, and I believe that it's only going to be, voting is going to be up for only 1 or 2 days for this round, so get in quick and vote as many times as you can. For me, that would be awesome. I look forward to showing you something different and new and more and exciting and amazing in the next video. Thank you so much for watching my avant-garde video for the NYX Face Awards, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh no. Ugh, my nose. It's so blocked.
Avon Drag Extravaganza. Booyah! I just made that up. And I'm not even gonna charge you for it. The spider's touch.
Working for the young.